videos. And so first let me introduce myself. My name is Somnath Ray. I'm a CPA with a diploma in IFRS, and I also have a SAP certification in SAP HANA. So in this video I'm going to run the same code which I ran last time to calculate the unit cost, the discount per unit, the special discount per unit, the agent commission per unit, the variable cost, and the revenue was aggregated, and I based it on the inventory and the unit price, so which are basically inputs, and I'll use the same parameters as I used last time in part 1. And so since I have gone through these slides in my last part 1 of this video series, let's not do it this time again to save time on the video, and so that we can look at the system straight away. So, and this time I'll use the SAP EPM Excel because last time I used the input form which was created from the SAP BPC NetWeaver 10.0 system itself. So let's go into the input folder straight away. So let's click on open server root folder and hit input schedules, and this is my input form over here. Let's open this up and let's enter some numbers straight away. So 10 for inventory for product A, 20 for product B, 30 for product C, and unit price $10,000 for product A, $20,000 for product B, and $30,000 for product C. So these are all car prices, so that's why they are very high. So let's save this data, save worksheet data, and it has successfully saved, and let's refresh it, refresh worksheet. So we see that there are two graphs and they are in tune with this input form report over here. So the code has actually successfully calculated the the results. So let's change these numbers a little bit. So let's remove these numbers first, and let's make it say 20, 30, 40 over here, and 25,000 as a unit price. Sorry, 25,000 unit price, 40,000 and 50,000, and let's save it once again, and it's saving the data for us, and it has saved, and let's refresh it, refresh worksheet. So we see that again the code has actually successfully calculated the numbers for us, and the graphs have also changed. So let's now look at the code, and so we are looking at, so this is basically the scoping section, and this is the processing section, and this is the same saving section over here. And so let's uncomment this. So this is the saving section. So let's change the numbers a little bit, since the car dealership is offering more discount to clear its lot. So let's change it to, for the discount, let's change it to 25%. So this number will also change. The variable cost will be 95, and the revenue will naturally reduce, make it 0.05. And let's do the same thing for product B, which is the second car, and so the discount will go up to 20% over here, and the variable cost will naturally increase to 93, and the revenue will come down 0.07, and same thing we will do for product C, which is the third brand of car they have, and so the discount will be over here 15%, and the variable costs will go up 92, and the revenue will come down by 5%, so it will be 0.08 over here. And so let's validate it, and let's save it. So for the code, as I said last time, we have used a nested clause. So it's actually receiving the input data from MSRP, and based on the products, it is actually calculating all these numbers for us. So let's go over into the Excel spreadsheet and clear these numbers, and input the new numbers. Say inventory is 40, 50 for product B, 60 for product C, and the unit price is say 15,000, 20,000, and 30,000 for product C. Let's make it 30,000. So let's save this worksheet data, and it is successfully saving. Yes, it has saved. Now let's refresh it. Refresh. So it has calculated the numbers based on the new parameters which we did just now by changing the code, and so we see that the discount has increased, and so these are the revenues and the variable costs. So let's once more change the numbers and see the results. Say inventory is 10, unit price is 10,000 as well. Inventory is 20 for product B and 20,000 for product B. Inventory is 30 for product C, and 30,000 is the price for product C, and let's save it. It has successfully saved. Now let's refresh it. Refresh worksheet, and we see that the graphs automatically change as we refresh the data. So this is an amazing feature of SAP EPM Excel and SAP BPC. So this is really an amazing feature, and the calculations are done at blazing speed, as we can see over here. So that's all about it, and thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much, and see you soon in the next part of the video series. Thank you again.